Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle animation in Capcut. First, open Capcut and begin a new project. Import your video clip and place it on the timeline. Next, add a white solid color background beneath your video. Then, find and overlay a basic circle shape from Capcut's extensive library. This sets the foundation for our animated effect, making it easy to customize later. Now let's customize your circle. Resize and reposition it to fit your desired look on the screen. You can easily change its color to match your video's aesthetic or stand out. Adjust the outline thickness for a bolder or subtler effect. Applying a mask to the circle ensures a perfectly clean and crisp edge, which is crucial for a professional animation. Experiment with these settings to find your perfect style. The real magic happens with animation. Utilize keyframes to dictate the circle's movement path and timing. Place a keyframe at the start and end of its desired motion. Add an animation, like a fade or scale, for a smooth entrance. Similarly, apply an out animation to ensure a graceful exit. This combination of keyframes and entrance/exit animations brings your circle to life, creating dynamic visual interest. For more advanced effects, try duplicating your circles to create layered or multiple animations simultaneously. Experiment with different blending modes to achieve unique visual interactions between your circle and the background video. Once you're happy with your animation, export your finished video in high resolution. This ensures your creative work looks sharp and professional, ready to share with your audience. Enjoy your new Capcut skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.